my people. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, according to your location. I greet the hearts, I greet everybody. Welcome back to my page, welcome back to my channel. Anywhere one for the watch the video, according to your time, according to your location, my people. Who they zuzu? I enter social media this morning. I enter Facebook. Wetin I first see for WhatsApp, my friend don send umenwan. When umenwan post come give me. Hey, I say so now. Umenwan get baba when dey smile get that baby wey come out yesterday. No be small. Who dey? I come still enter Facebook. Hey, I see say many girls dey cry for social media. So many girls are crying. Umenwan don break so many girls' hearts. Hey, I go enter baba when they smile page, my people. I go dey waka around. I say, I no fit just here for one place. May I believe now. I need to waka around. As I go enter baba when they smile page. Hey, adulterous, one of the universe. As I enter there, now I see say he drop one post last night after I don't sleep. Now I say, may I settle down, look this post. Wetin he write for this post. Now I come settle down, my people. Make we hear wetin baba when they smile right for the post. Hey, my people, make una listen. Say that is my new boy in town. Who won? By now know we move. Congratulations to me, baba when they smile. I just did with my drink. Hey, after he dropped that post finish, next social media cast fire. Boo! Everybody's all side chicken, all umenwan babe. All babe will be the crush on umenwan, including me. All of us start to dey cry. So baba when they smile, you break my heart. So baba when they smile, so you do me. Baba when they smile, so you need pikin, you not tell me. Oh my people, enter social media. If you enter Facebook this morning, you'll see everywhere, anywhere when you go. Baba when they smile, now they trade. I want use this opportunity to tell baba when they smile. Say as you take break my heart, it's not good though. Let me tell baba when they smile. Congratulations to you, my brother. Congratulations to you, my brother. Who won't buy me? By man go get so many girlfriends, but now only one I be yo for inside. I don't know whether avielele kologuma whether the baba when they smile or no, but anyone when he can settle for nine sabi nine choice be that. Make we go to the comment section. But before we go to this comment section, my people, big congratulations to you, baba when they smile. We are all happy for you. Me, I dey happy for you. I bet take that woman serious. So may you try still limit as she wele. As she pon I bet limit am, because woman don't born for you now for the same Europe when all girls for the hustle. Try may you limit am. We are all happy for you. You are a good man. Not only that insult when you dey curse women and make women dey vex for you. Not all now some women, even though most of them they vex for you, but they cannot do without your video. You see, big congratulations to you. We are so happy. Who walk by me? Who walk by me? Not be smarty. Big congratulations to baba when they smile. Big congratulations to avielele. We are so happy for you. We are so happy. For me, I don't know about other people. I am so happy for you guys. It's not easy for woman to go labor room, come mat. It's not easy for woman to carry a pikin for good 9 months. So even they pass 9 months. If you be mama, you gonna know wetin I dey talk. I'm so happy for you. Kiss to avielele and our new baby boo. New baby boo. They say your daddy gbola, he not strong rich. I hope your gbola na do. Hey, that gbola na you want to finish Europe girls. The one where your daddy do na small one. You go, you go do, Hey, umenwan don born pikin for abroad. I'm so happy for you, bros. Congratulations to you. All the whole world when they talk na joke a day. Make una not take a personal. Make una not come curse me for comment section. God bless you all. My people, we will go comment section. But before we go comment section, my people, if today na your first time when you dey come across this page and you never follow the page, do your sister a favor by following the page. God bless you all. Help me to like and share. To like a video is free, and also to share the video is also free. Support your sister by liking the video, and also help her touch that share. Share to your loved ones, share to your wall. Let people see wetin dey go on. Let people see say baba wey dey smile don drop another full current for Jamie. Another full current when body complete for Jamie. So many of us come dey cry for Facebook since. Many of us come dey cry say this one for be me o, this one for be me o, this one for be me o. No be small thing o, na joke I dey o. Let's go to the comment section. One person talk for the comment section say, he say big congratulations to baba wey dey smile and avielele, the woman that saga people destiny and need tester. No be small. Who wan go saga avielele na mo na go. And e get one comment wey I see. One comment I can't drop say congratulations to her. He said, but Frank, this child is not yours. You won't use am pepper some people. And another person can't drop comment say, hey, he said congratulations Frank. Say, but we need DNA. Hey, Omesapo. Umenwan, they say not be only you go sabi, they say we need DNA. But now they need DNA. No be small thing, my people. So many people drop so many comments, different comments anyway. And another person can ask Frank, say, you don't say whether you don't pull money for avielele head. May you try go do the right thing. My people, make we wish Umenwan congratulations. Let's wish umenwan congratulations. For those of us when they cry, I know cry again. I miss my luck. If not truth, I miss my luck. I will stop crying, okay? I will never cry again, okay? Please, guys, help me to like and share this video. God bless you all. Please, my amazing people. Let's wish Baba when they smile. Big congratulations. Okay, congratulations is permitted in our life. Bye bye.